Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. I'm the Bassman Ernest Cole, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix a common problem that happens to everybody at one point or another if you fish. You go to pull on your trolling motor cable and you come back with either a bare cable, a broken handle, or luckily you're not thrown into the water. So today I'm going to show you guys a cheap, easy, quick, but temporary fix to this problem. Hey guys, before we get into this system and how to fix the temporary fix on your trolling motor, if you will, hit that little subscribe button and that little bell. It'll notify you whenever I do upload a video, and it'll help me out if you guys subscribe and comment and tell me what you guys want to see. So with that said, let's get into this and let me show you how to fix this. Alright guys, like I said in the opening there, it happens to everybody. If you've been fishing long enough and you got a bow mounted trolling motor, sooner or later that cable is going to break. Whether it be a rope or a steel cable, at some point you're going to have a failure. It just happens. So today I'd like to take you through a little solution that I've came up with, and some of you may have already came up with it yourself, of how to kind of fix this temporarily until you can get home, get the parts, and fix it properly. Alright guys, there's a couple of really cheap items that you're going to need for this temporary fix. First off, go to your local Walmart, hardware store, box store, Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever you got in your area. Pick you guys up a rope handle for a lawnmower, tiller, weed eater, whatever it may be. And as you can see, I've kind of been using this right now because mine did break on me. I had a steel cable and it broke and almost threw me in the water. Hopefully that's never happened to you. Hopefully it never happens to me. But that's the first component you're going to need, is that starter handle. You pick these up. I picked this up, I think $4 at Walmart the other day. Next thing you're going to need that I would highly suggest is to get you some washers. And I picked these up at Lowe's. I've had them for a while, just sitting in the shop from a previous project, and what has worked the best is number 6 washers. These are small washers, and I'll show you in a minute how that's going to work. But that's all you need, just a couple of bucks for some washers, $4 for a handle. It's a good, cheap, and easy way. It's not a foolproof or full-time fix. You're going to need to fix this properly. But what you do is, once that cable breaks, is take your handle out of the pack, obviously, and just thread it back. You can't see it because my trolling motor's down right now, but just attach that, whatever trolling motor you may have, attach that where it was before. This size cord is pretty good size. This is a Minn Kota right now. Don't really use Motor Guide that much. It may be the same diameter cable, but just hook that in there to where you would normally hook either a rope or a cable, and it's a good cheap quick fix. Now where the washers come into play is this handle. Like I said, I've been using this temporarily. I have pulled the rope through this handle a couple of times. So a good fix is to take that number 6 washer and thread it on that rope as you're assembling all this, and that just fits perfectly in that hole, and that will help you once you tie your knot on the end of this. That'll help you from pulling that through. Also, you may want to, depending on how your rope attaches in your head unit here, you may need a washer there as well. But basically, that's a quick fix. It's an easy fix, but it is a temporary fix. You're going to need a more heavy-duty cable than this, or heavy-duty rope, whatever your preference is, and a handle for a trolling motor. What I would suggest that you guys do is go pick you up one of these, some of these washers, and just put them in an empty compartment of your boat that you may have. If you don't want to carry both of these together, you can take your knife, make you a slit in the back of these and stuff some of these washers in here like I'm going to do, and put your handy dandy piece of duct tape over that. That'll keep them in there. That way you can throw it in a compartment. This doesn't take up very much room at all, and anytime you're out on the water, it's going to save you a little bit of a headache, and at least get you back to where you can fix this when you get home and not ruin your day. So with that, that's going to be about it. Like I said, want to make this quick video for you guys today. Just something I've come up with and I've used over the years from time to time. I try to keep one of these in the boat at all times. So like I just said, I hope this has helped you guys out. Go out and get you a pull handle, a couple little washers, and you guys will be good to go on your next fishing trip, and it won't ruin your day. Please, if you guys can think up any more DIY stuff, I'm all about fixing stuff myself. Leave a comment below. Please throw me up a subscribe if you will, if you've not already. Hit that little bell, it'll tell you every time that I upload a video. Throw me a thumbs up, a like. Comment below, tell me guys what you want to see next. Like, share, comment, the whole 9 yards. And with that, I am the Bass Man Ernest Cole, and we'll see you guys down the road.